But you all, Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Imani here. So today we're going to be talking about another skin tool. I've been very excited to try this one out. It is the PMD Personal Microdermabrasion tool. So I've been using a lot of tools recently, trying to really up my skincare game. I'm about to be 30, so you know, I kind of want to up it a little bit, and I feel like going to the spa is a nice option. But like in Corona time, I don't know if you're comfortable with going to the spa or going out for like services. So if you can have a tool that you could use at home to get spa-like results, I think that it's kind of worth it. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today, demo, and I'm going to be giving you my honest review of the product. You know, if this is your first time watching LaBeat, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and put your bell on for notifications. Join the LaBeat family. You know, you can comment and share and do all that good stuff as well. So let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so here is the Personal Microdermabrasion tool. It comes in this box right here, and everything is in this box. Now, when you open it up, you have the Personal Microderm Pro Body and Facial Cap. So the cap that's on it right now is the one for face, and this one is for body. The hole is a little bigger. You have the power adapter. So this is not a wireless product. You have to always have it plugged in so that you can use it. It also has the white training disc. This disc is what comes in it. It's just for testing to see how it works. You also have two very sensitive gray discs, two sensitive blue discs, two moderate green discs, two very coarse red discs, and a reusable filter. Okay, so the discs are basically what is giving you the microdermabrasion. So it's an aluminum oxide tip disc that exfoliates away the top layer of dead, dull skin with each use. That's what these are. So the white one is just for testing, and then you have different colors to indicate the severity of the exfoliation that you're gonna get. These bigger ones are for your body. I haven't tried the body, to be honest. I've only tried the face, so I'll give you guys an update if I do use it on my body. This one, which is the Pro, features two speeds. One is low, meaning the disc speeds are at a slower rate, and this is great for sensitive skin, beginners, and tricky spots. So you don't just have to use it on your face. You can use it on your neck, décolleté, back of your arms, on itchy red skin, and even on your hands and feet for at-home manicure and pedicure. I haven't tried that though. I already tried it on my face. So I got the teal one. Now, the first time I used it, I must say, I tried out a couple of the different discs. So I started with the white one to train, and then I went in with the very sensitive gray. That wasn't giving me any exfoliation. So then I went up to the moderate green. And what I will say, you need to really work your way up. So I did get a little scratch. I did get a little scratch on the side of my face. So I would say you need to be careful with this device because you don't want to injure yourself, okay? The whole point of this is to really make your skin glow and to make your skin smooth and to exfoliate. So you want to be careful. I would say start off with the very sensitive gray and then work your way up, okay, girl? I was so excited. I was like, hey, I'm not feeling anything. I want to just go to, like, you know, go up 2 when I should have just took my damn time. But even though I did get a little scratch here, you can't even really see anything, so I'm happy about that. So what I will say is the box really shows you, it has some information on it, but I wish that the box came with like a manual. I don't know if I lost my manual or not, but it kind of didn't really show you how to use the products. I didn't like that, so I had to go and research and watch videos to make sure that I was using it correctly. So that's one thing. I wish the box came with more of an explanation of how you should use it. So it kind of says how it works, benefits, but it doesn't give you directions per se. Now, what I will say is that 2 days after, I was like, does my skin is not really glowing. But like after 3 days, my skin was feeling super soft and super glowing, and I was like, okay, yes, I'm seeing the benefits here now. So I'm gonna do a demo for you guys, and then I'm gonna wrap up my thoughts on the product. I would say definitely do your research on these products. I really like them, but I am into skin tools, okay? So I do do my research. I make sure it's something that's going to be beneficial to my skin. You know, I look at estheticians page to see like how they do microdermabrasion, and this I think is very similar to what estheticians use, and I really like that. Now the price of this, so it's priced at $199. Yes, it is steep. When you go to do these services at a spa, it probably is going to be costing around there for one treatment. But when you get this, you're using it for a prolonged period of time, and I think the like cost per use really makes sense over the long run, especially if you really like it. So I would say if you were on the fence about getting a PMD, I would say give it a try. I really like it. I like how my skin looked a couple days after. I'm gonna show you guys how your skin looks immediately after. You're gonna see your skin is kind of looking dry, but you know, you need to follow up with really hydrating skincare, and then like over the days your skin is like super glowing. So right now, look how good my skin is looking. I've been doing minimal skincare, to be honest, because I'm trying out new products. So like when I try new products, I don't like to be using too much. So if I do get a breakout or if I do have a reaction, I kind of know how to pinpoint. So I've been keeping my routine pretty simple, using my quarterly in the daytime, and then using some products from Rosen Skincare, which I received in PR recently. I'm gonna show you guys the toner once I'm finished with the demo, and I will show you like the moisturizer that I've been using in the nighttime. Now they do recommend to use this in the nighttime. I'm just gonna do a little demo for you guys, even though it's like daytime. I'm gonna do a little demo for you. Now when you do go to their website, they have a little video showing you how to use it, so that's good. It would have been nice if this little card was, you know, in the box, but go to the website, check it out. The first step is to plug in the device, so let's do that. The adapter comes in a little box, and you want to make sure that the disc is in here before you turn it on. So today I'm gonna use the sensitive blue disc. So you just have to like press it down. The reusable filter is in there, and you just press the disc down all the way, right? And then you just screw the cap back on, and you can clean the disc and the cap after use. And then you just attach it, and there are 2 speeds, right? That's the first speed, and that's the second speed. I'm just gonna leave it on the first speed. It's kind of loud. So you're going to move the device quickly on your skin. So you kind of want to pull it toward. And you only want to go over the spot once. So, right, you can see smoothing it out. So apply light pressure, and it suctions. Okay. This is how my skin is looking. You can see that it looks a little dry. Okay, microdermabrasion is physical exfoliation, all right? Then you just want to follow up with your toner and your moisturizer. So I've been using Fenty Skin toner. Absolutely love this. And I've also been using the Rosen Tropics toner. I don't know if you guys have heard about Rosen Skincare, but it is a Black owned brand, and I've actually been really liking their toner. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. This is actually a thick liquid too, so they recommend following up with the toner. All right, and guys, do you see the glow in my skin? The toner is good, but also the microdermabrasion is good. Okay. And then once you're done with that, you would just unscrew it. If there's, yes, there's some dead skin in here, I don't think you guys will really be able to see that. My camera is not that good. So I would usually just clean this out with water. You want to clean this too, get a wipe, clean it, make sure that everything is kind of clean around it, and you just kind of screw it back once it's clean. So they recommend to see really good benefits to use it once a week for 8 to 12 weeks. So I'm going to continue using this. The last time I used it, I think was about 2 weeks ago. That's just because I use a lot of different skincare. I like to shave my face, you know, I like to do all kind of stuff. But I think I'm going to try it once a week for about a month and see if I see like a drastic difference. Right now my skin is looking very, very good. So I'm excited to see like what more could happen if I was to use it every week for 8 to 12 weeks. I think that the sensitive blue disc is like the way to go for me. I'm just gonna stay with that one because I used the green and it was a bit too much. But yeah, my birthday is coming up. Usually my hubby gets me like a massage or something. But you know, during Corona, I don't know if I really want to go and get like stuff like that. So being able to do treatments at home for yourself is pretty cool. Give you that spa experience, you know, make your skin look really good. So once I'm finished with it all, I usually just, the cord is pretty long, guys. So if your plug was far away, you could still use it. It would have been nice if this was wireless. Oh, I think that would have changed the freaking game if it was wireless. But you know, it comes with this. It didn't come with like a travel case or anything. I guess that would be another thing, but I don't know if you would necessarily travel with this. Like you probably would do it before your vacation, so that's why they probably didn't include something like this, because it's more of an at-home type of system. I just put it back in the box and it's an easy store. So the next thing that they recommend is to go in with your moisturizer. So I have been loving the Caress pomegranate moisturizer, really good for oily skin. Also been loving the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration face cream. I'm gonna go in with the one from Caress. Of course, if you're gonna be going outside or if you're going to be, you know, exposed to the sun, put your sunscreen on, sis. Especially after treatments like this, your skin is more vulnerable from that from that physical exfoliation. So you definitely want to protect that. But you all, yes, I absolutely love how my skin is looking. Then I'm gonna go in with the Mented Balms Away lip treatment. I've actually really been enjoying this. It's kind of grainy, which I like, I don't know. And then you know, you could just relax. Drink your water and relax. Alright, so let us wrap this up. Would I recommend this at-home microdermabrasion tool? Yes, I would. I absolutely love the way it makes my skin feel. I would say that there is a bit of a learning curve, so I'm happy that they put in that white disc so that you could really practice and make sure you get the motion down. I would say I wish there was more instructions that came in the box, but if you go to the website, they have like a whole video that shows you how to use it. I feel like if you're into skin tools, this might be a good one. If you're looking for brightness, if you're looking for smoothness, this would also be a good one. My skin feels super smooth right now, and once you follow up with your toner and your moisturizer with SPF, if it's in the daytime, you're gonna be a-okay, sis. I'm gonna try it every week for the month of September, and I'll probably update you guys on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me over there. I like the tool and I recommend it. I think PMD is a pretty good brand. They have other skin tools as well. This is the first thing that I'm trying from them and I am highly impressed. Yes, the price is kind of steep. If you look at it on a per use basis, it's still going to be cheaper than if you go to a spa, to an esthetician and get a microdermabrasion, and you can get similar benefits at home. Obviously, it's going to take a little longer because it is an at-home system. So that's why they say 8 to 12 weeks. Whereas if you go to the spa, you know, you might see quicker benefits because they're using like spa grade stuff. But I think that this is a really good alternative to getting a spa service. All right. If you have any more questions about the PMD, please let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be answering questions. Yes, I'm also going to have a link in the description box if you want to purchase it. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed filming it for you. Don't forget, you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's lud.beat on Instagram and the Beat Inc. on Facebook. Let me know if there are any other skin tool videos you would like me to do, and I would definitely see if I could get them and review them for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great night, guys. Bye.